Hazrat Jabir bin Abdullah radiyallahu anhu states that Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam in the year of the conquest of Makkah Mukarramah said in Makkah Mukarramah, Allah Jalla Jalaluhu and His Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam have forbidden the trade of wine, carrion and idols. It was submitted, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, what do you direct about the fat of a dead animal? For it is used for caulking boats, is applied to skins for grazing, and people get light from it by lighting lamps. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, no, it is unlawful. Then at the same time Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, may Allah Jalla Jalaluhu perish the Jews. When Allah Jalla Jalaluhu forbade them the fat of the dead animals, they melted it, sold it, and consumed its price. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 4024.